Anyone who has ever had roof damage knows that it is one of the most harrowing and expensive types of damage that could happen to your home. And, because of these just nightmare stories, homeowners need to know whether or not roof damage is covered in a home insurance policy. And so, well, it depends. Like most kinds of insurance, a home policy covers the types of damage that are outlined in the paperwork. So make sure that you check the details of your policy and see if you're covered. Read that fine print. And if you don't have roof replacement coverage, then you can typically add it into your policy. And, not for nothing, but because roof damage can be so costly, it's actually a really smart thing to have. Also, keep in mind that depending on what kind of roof your home has and how the damage was caused, your coverage can vary. So if you are still unsure of whether or not your roof is protected, the best thing you can do is speak with your insurance agent and let them know that you're concerned.